What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm actually gonna scuff these and paint them. I have the paint in the back of the Subaru right now, and I just washed them so they can look a lot better, because what if I'm scuffing them and I'm just scuffing the dirt, right? So anyways, I have two assistants sitting right there because they're not listening. So I'm gonna have them help me scuff this for 10 minutes and then they're gonna head to play. Anyways, let's get to work.
No.
Alright, so first thing I'm gonna use is this primer. It has like a type of filler, so I can fill up the little scuffs or the scratches, those scratches that the wheels already had, especially these right here, curved ratchets. Hopefully they don't look that bad. But yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna spray black. This is black primer, so the gold doesn't look that yellowish. So let me start spraying real quick. Alright, first coat goes in. Alright, so we're gonna leave the first coat of primer sitting, and meanwhile I continue to scuff the other one. I don't know why it's just so windy. Anyways, I'm gonna hit it with the first coat of gold. I'm not sure how much gold I have to put on there, because like I said, this is really light, and I wanted to throw a black coat so it can sit a little bit darker. So let's hope everything goes good. So let's start shooting. Alright guys, that's it. I'm pretty satisfied with this color. I wanted to do a little bit darker, but this should do it. Yeah, I think I went overboard with the first coat. So yeah, I'm just gonna, next time I'm gonna be a little bit more easier, and I might just spray a little bit of black on top of this so it can look a little bit more darker. But anyways, let me continue and scuff the other ones, and as you guys see, this is ready. Alright guys, I'm sick and tired of scuffing and my fingers are hurting already. Anyways, this is the last wheel I have.
And it's gonna dry up.
We're just waiting for it to dry up, and we are heading to AutoZone. We're gonna go to AutoZone so I can pick up some lug nuts for this dude right here, because I don't have the time to wait. I'm just ready to put these on, so I don't have the time to wait until I place an order for the lug nuts, or I go buy some, and there's like kind of expensive, so I'll just go to AutoZone, pick them up. It's gonna work anyways. So yeah, anyways, let's roll the cinematic. I just came back from O'Reilly's. I picked up these lug nuts. It's not the ones I wanted, but it is what it is. I wanted some black ones. And here is the wheels. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about these wheels. NASCAR right here. Let's test fit the first wheel.
Solo un poquito.
A little bit more?
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
I think that's all what it goes.
Yeah, that's cool.
That's what I hate about universal wheels, bro.
Está.
Right there. Ooh, right on the money.
Looks pretty clean.
It's poking a little bit, huh?
Yeah.
Fuck, it is poking. But it's not that much. With the quicks, Mr. American Tires. Oh, dude.
Stay tuned for my shop, Holmes.
We're talking about opening a shop, a tire shop with this guy. That was hard. Just to clear this up, I didn't even ask him to do my tires. He just did it. Either way, he did them quick, faster than I would have done them. But what do you guys think about this little setup on the WRX? Tires are looking beefy. Now it's time to drop it a little bit. Alright, so here it is, boys. I'm gonna take it out right now. Let me first pick up my mess. What do you guys think? I installed the lips this morning. I scuffed and painted the wheels, and now it's on. Shout out to my brother. If you guys want this dude as your pit crew, hit him up. He's really quick. Anyways, yeah, it's looking pretty good. It's looking like a monster truck right now. I need to drop it. I might go with a little bit of stretch so I can drop it and fit, but I'm not much of a stance boy, so I might do just over fenders and make it look sick. Let me pull it out of this spot real quick and then shoot a nice cinematic for you guys. I'm probably just park it right behind me, and yeah, pretty much. So it for this video. I am done. This is how the WRX sitting. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. I know I need a little bit over fenders, and I need to drop it a little bit, like an inch or so. I don't want to run stretch tires on this car. I'm just gonna leave it the way it is and lower it. But of course, like I said, I'm gonna get over fenders for sure. Anyways, this is it for this video. I made 2 videos at the same time, so if I look like crap right now, it's because of the same reason. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed these videos, make sure you hit that like button. You'll subscribe if you haven't so, because there's more content coming up for the WRX, and not just for this guy, also for the F30. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out. I'll catch you guys until the next one.
Check it. Yo, this beat so heavily, so I deceptively preach inside of my mind to take whatever's left of me. A soul dissectomy, yeah, a well-known enemy, ever changing the man that I was for, my true identity, yo. Check out my pedigree, school bitches and readily, prove rhythms and melodies, cool bitches and heavy weed. Fuck your amenity, life, a given memory, time soon is ending it while we live in selfishly. Cynical brain, killing a physical frame, minimal gain, pitiful lyrical moment of change, pinnacle stage, critical age, everything that I've done in my life has led me to this day.